Can the church say amen? Amen. Can the church say amen? Amen. Shall we appreciate the best worship team in the universe? I think we can do better. We can do better. We can do better. Let's take our seats. Glorious Jesus. How are you all doing? Are you all right? Are you all right? Beautiful. I'm not so sure if we can flow without an interpreter, or we shall need an interpreter. Today I'm going to be teaching, and I need two people. I need two people that I will be having that are quick in opening their Bibles. I need two people because we're going to be going through a lot of scriptures. So I need two people. All right, that's one. Are you not going to be interpreting as well?
We need an interpreter.
Okay, if you're not going to be needing an interpreter, it's fine. I want to talk today over a subject that I feel this subject that I feel we have to correct a doctrine. But I'm not going to be preaching. I think we have had a teacher before. We had Mama preach. So I'm going to be teaching. I want you to understand me slow and nice. The Bible in the book of Genesis begins by saying, in the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. In the beginning speaks of time. God created the heavens, that's space, and the earth, that's matter. Now, everything that exists in this realm, it is governed by three dimensions. Time, space, matter. The three cannot exist without one. If time exists without matter, then what does it measure? If matter exists without time, then when does it exist? If space exists without matter, then it is not space. Alright. So after God having created the heavens and the earth, in the book of Genesis chapter number 1, verse number 31.
Genesis 1, verse 31.
Somebody go to Genesis number 2, verse 7. We understand that after God created the earth, He said it is good. Are we there?
Yes.
All right. Genesis chapter number 1, verse 31.
Then God saw everything that He had made, and indeed it was very good. So the evening...
Wait. God saw everything that He had done, and indeed it was very good.
uNkulunkulu ubone konke udalile and ngaphela bekukuhle.
So the earth is good.
So kusho ukuthi umhlaba muhle.
And among the things that have been created by God
Phakathi kwezinto ezidalwe nguNkulunkulu
is man.
kunomuntu
And he's also included.
naye ukhona.
When God says he saw everything that he had made,
Uthi uNkulunkulu mayebona konke okuyenzile
and behold, it was good indeed,
ende kube kukuhle ngempela.
including your body.
Ngemzimba
It is
wakho
good.
muhle.
So your body is not evil.
No nomzimba wakho awukho.
Your body is not a source of the devil.
Umzimba wakho akusona indawo kaSathane.
Your body is created by God and it is good.
Umzimba wakho udalwe nguNkulunkulu endimuhle.
The earth
Umhlaba
is good.
muhle.
Now, I have to say these things
Kumele ngisho lezi zinto.
because sometimes in our prayer life,
Ngesinye isikhathi ku prayer life yethu
we want the spirit,
sifuna umoya ongcwele,
we want heaven,